From visitmysmokies.com, it's the Fun Cast. Hey there, I'm your Smoky Mountain meteorologist, Paul Poteet. Did you miss the beautiful Smokies sunshine over Valentine's Day, and you maybe had thought about coming up, coming down, coming over, coming out to the Smokies, but you never got around to it? Well, there is still time to book your cabin for a spring break in the Smokies. Click stay from our main menu, and just for fun, I typed the word spring in our search box from our lodging section. Look at that. Holly Spring, Blackberry Spring. These are names of cabins. Hideaway, Spring, Berry, Paradise, Mountain, all sorts of springs sprung forth when I started looking for cabins, and you can too. Do it right now. Take your spring break in the mountains with help from Visit My Smokies. You know, with all this talk about spring, I guess it shouldn't surprise you that we are in the final days of Winterfest in the Smokies. The millions of LED lights are about to go out for the season. You can get a free guide to all the displays at the Pigeon Forge Trolley Office or the Pigeon Forge Welcome Center. Now, the Gatlinburg Winter Magic Lights are up through the last day of the month. Also running through the end of the month is the Love is in the Air event. That's going on at this place, Gatlinburg Skylift Park. You can walk through the Tunnel of Love on the Sky Bridge. It's all lit up in red and white lights for this special event. Plenty of other themed decor also. And again, that's for the rest of February. Now, next month brings some big changes in parking in the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. Yeah, it's all about parking tags. Starting March 1st, you'll need a valid tag to be able to park inside of the national park. Guests will need to display the parking tag on the dashboard of their vehicle anytime that they're parked for a certain length of time and they're not around the car. What's the reason for that and how do you get them? Simply type parking in our search box and you'll get our complete coverage and some of the finer points of all the new rules. Now, the finer points of my 7-day forecast. There's a couple of days that are pretty fine if you like a little taste of spring. Back to spring again. Temperatures will be up to the 70-degree mark, I think, on Wednesday and Thursday. But we're going to be dealing with some rain, especially Wednesday night, and definitely on Thursday. Showers and thunderstorms will be around the Smokies. So keep an eye to the sky and make sure that you come inside in case the weather threatens. That's connected with a cold front. Yeah, that's the reason for the 40s on Friday. Some morning leftover rain, and then we'll try it out. It looks like another very quick shot of cool air, though, because we're right back up to the 50s on Saturday and the 60s on Sunday. And it, right now, at least, looks like a dynamite weekend. If you want to plan a late winter hike, maybe this is the weekend for it. You can search for that, too, when you come and visit mysmokies.com.